Hi dear friends, now we will discuss about this type of isometric drawings. So I have already set whatever required for this diagram. So starting from units, limits, so I have made on everything. So now I am going to start this diagram from this point. So firstly, so to complete this diagram I am clicking line command and I am clicking the first point here. Now I am going down to a distance of, so see, there is a distance from here to here. It has given 33 plus 8, so it will be 41. The distance will be 41. So to 13, so that the total distance will be getting. So we need to add 13 distance for this 41. So it will be 54. The distance will be the vertical distance. The total vertical distance will be 54. And now I am drawing a line of 54 distance and press enter. Now see, now I am here. So from here I need to go in this direction to a distance of 30. So now just show the direction towards. So I am giving the value 30 and press enter. Now I am here. Now I need to go to in this way to a distance of, the whole distance will be 74 has given here. So I need to draw 74 distance. And now I need to go in this direction to a distance of 30 and press enter. The 30 distance will be applied here also. So here it has given 30 and the distance from here to here also it will be applied same. So we need to remember. And now I need to go to top to a distance of, the same distance will be applied here also. So the whole distance will be, so 54. So if we add 41 plus 13, the chamfer distance, so it will give us 54 distance. So the chamfer distance has given here 13. So we need to add 13 plus 33 plus 8, so that it will give the whole height. So now I am going to the top to a distance of 54. So now see, this is the outer profile I have drawn. Now again I am selecting line command and I am drawing a line from this point to a thickness of, so the thickness has given here 8 mm thickness. So to the whole object the thickness would be 8. So now in this way I am drawing 8 mm, giving 8 and press enter. Now I am going down to a length of, see, we need to, so I am here, so I need to go to down. So first I need to go down with this chamfer distance of 13. So to both sides only the chamfer distance is 13 in the horizontal and in the vertical also. So the chamfer distance is 13 and 13. So it is the meaning of this 13 distance. Now I need to go down to a distance of 13 plus 33. So the distance would be 44. So I am going down to a distance of 44 and press enter. Now I need to go in this way. So I think 33 plus 13 I need to go down. So it will be 6 and 46. So the distance would be 46. I need to go down to a distance of 46 and press enter. Now I need to reach in this direction to a distance of, now I am here and I need to go in this way, and you can just track this point and you can just join, and into mark will come and you just click on it and join these two lines. So now again I am selecting line command and I am drawing a line from this point. So I am just tracking this point and I am clicking here, and again I am selecting line command and I am joining these 2 points. I have joined these 2 points. Now again I am selecting line command and from this point I am tracking this point. So an into mark will come and again I am joining those 2 lines. Now in the similar manner, so I am again selecting line command and I am drawing a line to downwards by tracking this point. Or you can also calculate the dimensions. So by subtracting this thickness values, so you will get the dimensions of this length and this length also. So you can also calculate. Now I am just tracking and drawing. So now this is the profile, the outer profile with 8 mm thickness. Now what should we do? There is a chamfer. So once check, there is on 4 edges there are bevel edges. So this is a chamfer distance of 13 by 13 and this is also the chamfer distance of 13 by 13. So there are 2 chamfers here, and here if you can see here So it is a distance of 6 and it is a distance of 6. So this chamfer distance is 6 by 6 and it is also similarly 6 by 6 the chamfer distance. So now what should we do? I am clicking on this chamfer option and I am clicking here distance and I am giving the value 13. The first chamfer distance I am giving 13. Press enter. The second chamfer distance is also 13. Press enter. Now select multiple option. Select these lines. So I need chamfer in between these two lines. Just select those two lines. Select these lines. So I need chamfer in between these two lines. Just select those two lines. Select these two lines. Again select the outer lines and select these two lines. So now, both these two are chamfers. Again I am going into chamfer and click on this distance option and there is a chamfer of 6 by 6. So I am giving 6. The first chamfer distance, press enter. Second chamfer distance 6, press enter. Now select multiple and now select this line and this line. So in between these two lines I need a chamfer and in between these two lines also I need a chamfer. In a similar manner I need a chamfer in between these two lines and in between these two lines also. So this is the actual profile and I am removing these lines. I don't need these lines. Just select and press delete. Press delete from your keyboard. Now what should we do? There are lines here. See, there are lines by joining these chamfers. There are lines here. Horizontal and vertical lines are there. So I am just selecting the line command and I am joining these chamfer distances. Press enter to repeat the command. See, I have joined these chamfer distances by lines. See, just we need to draw lines. So this is the actual profile I am getting and I don't need this inner part. So you can also remove these lines. So because only the outer profile is appearing and see these are the inner lines. So those we don't need. So I am just selecting and pressing delete from my keyboard. So now check, this is the actual profile and there are wedges here. So there are inclination objects with some thickness. So at a distance of here and I am showing in this direction and giving the value 9 and press enter. So now I am here. See, I have started from here and I am here right now. So I need to go to top to a distance of 36 as given. So to top, so just show the direction and give the value 36 and press enter. Now there is a thickness of, so it has given 4. The object thickness is 4 has given, so it will be applied to this object also. The thickness has given 4. So now I am giving 4 and press enter. And now I am coming out from this command and again press enter to repeat the last used command. Now from here to here there is a distance of 16 it has given. So it is the distance of 16. And now I am clicking here the first point and I am going in this direction to a distance of 16 and press enter. Now the similar thickness will be applied here also. See, so it is 4 and the thickness here also the 4 will be applied and I am going in this way by the distance of 4 and press enter. Now just join these two lines. Press enter, again press enter and just join these lines. So and this inclined wedge object will be appeared. So now again in the similar way we need to create in this end also. So again pressing enter to activate the last used command. Now I am clicking here. Now I am going in this way to a distance of 9 and press enter. Now I need to go to top. See, I need to go to top in the similar manner. So to a distance of 36 and I am giving 36 and press enter. I am giving the thickness value as 4 and press enter. Now I am just coming out and pressing enter. Now I need to go from this point to a distance of 16 and press enter. Now I need to give a thickness of 4 and press enter. Now I need to join both these lines. Again press enter. See, I need to join these ends. So this is my actual profile. Now in the similar manner I need to join these lines also by tracking these points and just joining these two lines. See, so this is the actual profile I am getting and I don't need the inner element. See, the wedge has the inner lines here, but in the diagram it hasn't given, so the inner line, so we can remove this inner lines. We don't need these lines, so I'm just pressing delete. Now I don't need these lines also, so at the end we will trim off those parts. Now we have created both these objects, and now there is an element here in the middle. So now what should I do? I am drawing a line, so I am taking line command, and from the center point of this line, so to the center point of this line I am drawing a line to the top. So I am just showing the direction. So in this way I am showing the direction, and I am giving, so from here it has given the distance 14. So I am just drawing to the vertically upwards 14 and press enter. Now the thickness has given, the object thickness is 30. So but I am in the center. Now I need to go to left half and right half. So firstly I am going towards left to a distance of 15 and press enter. Now I need to go in this direction to a distance of, so it has given the whole total distance is 30, and we need to minus this thickness so that we will reach to here. So 30 minus 8 would be 22. So just show the direction and give the value 22 and press enter. Now I need to go in this direction to a distance of, so it has given 30. So I need to go 30 distance, 30 press enter. Now I need to go in this way to a distance of, the similar distance will be applied here also. So 30 minus 8 would be 22. So I am giving 22. Press enter. Now join these lines. So now see, this is the object I am getting. Now if I draw a line from here to here, so just reference line. So there is a circle element inside which is of diameter 16 has given. So for that I am selecting this axis and command and selecting ISO circle option, selecting the center point. So I am selecting this line's center point as the center of the circle. So I am clicking here and I am in the top line. So I am giving the radius of that. So the diameter has given 16. So the radius would be 8 and press enter. Now it will be appearing like this, and now I am removing both these lines because those are for only reference purpose. I am deleting those two. Now there are lines here, so vertical lines. So I am just selecting line command again. I am just drawing a line. So I am just joining those lines. See, I am just joining those lines. So where, so see, just track and those will be tracked. So see, from here to here also I am just drawing a line, an extra line I am drawing. So now see, and I need to join here also a line. So see, and now remove the unwanted things. So give the command here and press couple of times enter, and now delete these lines. So what are the lines we don't need, so I remove those lines. See, now this is the actual profile I need to create. So once check, so we have created with exact dimensions or not. So this is the actual profile. Now our task is to give the dimensions properly. No line here also, I need to trim off this line. So I don't need this line also. So this is the actual profile it looks like. So once check each and everything. So we have drawn properly or not. Now I am going into this align dimensioning. So I am giving the dimensions wherever required. So the dimensions are very small. So go to dim style command, press enter, click on modify. So click on this fit tab. So give the value of some 12 and press enter. Click OK and click modify. Click on this primary units. Set this to 0 and click OK, set current close. Now see, the dimensions are properly visible and there is extension lines beyond, it is more. Again I am giving dim style, and this lines tab there is a extend beyond dimension lines. So it is 0.1 has there 0.08 I am giving, and I am clicking on this text and set this to dimensions with align with dimension line. Radio button, I am clicking on this and click OK, set current close. Now see, I need this type of dimensions and I am again clicking on this align dimensioning, and I am giving the dimensions wherever required. Just press enter, so the align dimension will be activated. So always you don't need to go here, and you don't need to click here. So just press enter so that the command last used command will be activated, and once check. So I am giving the dimensions wherever required. So these are the actual dimensions we have, and if you want you can also represent the center lines for this circle also. So for that I am selecting line command and I am just drawing a line. I am selecting line command and I am just tracking these lines, and I am drawing a line. Again I am drawing a line, so horizontal and vertically I am drawing line C. So these are the lines, and now we need to select these lines and we need to set these lines to center lines by going into the center lines, and you can put this. So it will be better. Now our task is to align the dimensions with respect to the inclined lines. Now what should we do? So there is a through hole here. So for that I am selecting line command. So I am drawing a line from here to here. Now we will type the text here. So now see, this is the actual profile. Now we need to align these dimensions. So I am clicking here annotate tab and click on this dimension drop down and click on oblique option. Now the similar angles, you need to select the similar angles. I need to align some of the dimensions in this diagram. So I need to give dimension here also, I forgot to give. And now I am clicking on this annotate and clicking this oblique, selecting the similar dimensions which I need to align in this angle. So I need to represent here also. Now again, so I am going into annotate, so selecting these dimensions which I need to align towards 30 degrees. So selecting each and every dimension. So now see, these are the dimensions I need to align towards 30 degrees. So after selecting dimensions, you need to press enter and it will ask you the obliquing angle. I am giving 30 and press enter. And again in the similar way, so I am clicking on this oblique and I need to select some of the dimensions which I need to align towards 150 degree. So I am just selecting all these dimensions. See, these are the dimensions I need to align towards 150 degree. So I am pressing enter. Now it is asking me obliquing angle. I am giving 150 and press enter. Again I am clicking on this oblique and the remaining dimensions I need to align towards 90 degree. So once check. So I have selected and I need to presenter, give the angle 90 and presenter. Now see, so now I am drawing this dimension. So because it hasn't aligned properly. So now see, these are the dimensions I have. If you want, you can also edit this. So you can also put as D. So there is dia, right? So I am giving DIA. So you can also type, just edit that and put this to center. So flip the arrows. So now see, this is my actual diagram and I need to represent here through hole. So for that I am selecting a single line text and I am drawing a line, vertical line, press enter. So I need to type through hole. So now see, this is the actual diagram I need. So once check each and everything, we have put the dimensions or not, and we have aligned the text also. So if you want, so you can also, so now see, this is my actual diagram. Now what should we do? So if you want, up to this is enough. So to a good practice, if you want to align the text also to the inclinations, whatever. So I am going into dim style. I am going into dim style, press enter and give this angle, oblique angle to 30. So which is related to dimension text, and click on apply, close, click OK, set current, close. So now check. The dimension text will be aligned to 30 degree inclination. So it is also so good to read or good to appear in the diagram. So you can also represent like this. So it will be very good. So you need to practice more and more drawings.